You see here in the red numbers what USDA's numbers were for all wheat production, all winter wheat production, hard red winter wheat production, soft red winter wheat production, and white winter wheat production. And the line right below it then, this line right below it is what the average trade guess was that was priced into the market. And down here you see what, oops, sorry, hit the wrong button, what my estimates are. And again, I'm not estimating what USDA is going to do in this report. I'm working on final estimates, which is what USDA should be doing, but the trade tends to get caught up in just estimating what USDA is going to do. Not everybody, but the majority of the trade. And our estimates as a company policy is to make sure our estimates are focused on what do we expect the end game to be, so to speak. And so based on this, we're still expecting primarily that hard red winter wheat crop to be smaller. We'll continue to take in harvest data and assess that. And we've got some harvest results now that showing that we have more abandonment than I think USDA is showing. And I think the June 29th acreage report will show that. Also, that'll have adjustments, we think, in spring wheat production. But harvested acres, abandonment, I don't think USDA is really accounting for yet. It was interesting to note in this report that USDA did make upward adjustments to some soft red winter wheat states and some hard red winter wheat states whose crop ratings have been going up. But when you look at yesterday's crop progress report, where they've had the most harvest data coming in the drought-plagued area of the Southern Plains, Texas and Oklahoma, the crop ratings went down in Texas and Oklahoma in a decline. And that tends to suggest that the crop surveyors are hearing about disappointing yield results. We're hearing everything. Better than expected, some pretty impressive yields, particularly as we get in parts of Kansas, but also some really bad yield reports that were worse than expected, even in Kansas, yes. We think that as they go further north in Kansas, it will gradually get better, and into Nebraska even better, and to some extent Colorado as well. But the Oklahoma and Texas yields did not change in this report. And I find that curious, and I expect that those will go down in future reports. And of course, we'll have to see how that goes down relative to some of the other states once again. But this gives you an idea of where we're at right now.